We've been lucky enough this year to have the Ultimate Sportsbike test sponsored by RST, and they've sent us some really good suits to wear while we've been out on the bikes, on the road and on the track. This is the Pro Series suit, and it comes with an airbag. And in fact, it has to be said, RST have now got 3 airbag suits in their range, all of which come with the Inner Motion system, which is a French-based autonomous airbag system, which is really seriously trick stuff. This one that I've been wearing is the mid-range one, comes in at £749, and there's one above it, which is basically the same suit, but made out of kangaroo or partially out of kangaroo, and there's one below it, which is made from a lower grade cowhide. The suit itself has got CE armour in the shoulders, elbows and hips, and the airbag system is also, as it happens, encased in a CE level 1 spec back protector. So even if you don't have your airbag switched on, you've got absolutely the best protection already. The Inner Motion system comes with an app that you put on your mobile phone, and that then talks to the brain that's sitting inside the back protector there. When you get home, it connects to the Wi-Fi and it talks to Inner Motion back in France, just like everyone else in the world who's got one of these systems. And they collect all the algorithms and all your data, then send back out to everyone who's got an Inner Motion system and update your algorithms so you get even better performance, even better response times for different scenarios. This is the future, autonomous airbags, there's no question about it. And Inner Motion are right there at the very cutting edge of it. I've not crashed in it so far, so I can't really comment on how well it's constructed, but I've seen a lot of suits over the years. This looks like it's put together really well. Bruce and Tim have both been wearing another RST suit. They've been wearing the V4.1 non-airbag suit, and they've had nothing but good things to say about it, especially how supple they are thanks to the kangaroo leather, and also how they didn't need any braking in right from the word go. The other thing that really needs to be mentioned about the Inner Motion technology that's in my suit is that RST also make it available in just their jackets and also their adventure range of products. So there it is, RST are in the market now and they're offering autonomous airbag suits that start at 500 quid and go up to 900 quid for the kangaroo one. Really, this is the future, and for the life of me, I have no idea how RST are able to offer that technology for 500 quid. It's a no-brainer, it really is. Thanks to RST for sponsoring the feature and for supplying us with these suits, and for more details on all of them, go check out their website, which should be on the screen now.